This is Cyber War News Now, reporting the news on the cyber war that is happening now. Don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and comment. When we go to the hospital, we expect to be safe with our health needs taken care of. What may not be apparent in our time of need is that all the devices keeping you alive are connected to a network. Unfortunately, in some of these devices, operations have been prioritized over security. The devices allow for alerts to be sent to the nurses' stations, doctors' mobile devices, and to complete routine tasks like giving medicine at certain intervals. Researchers have disclosed two separate vulnerabilities within the Becton Dickinson Alaris Gateway Workstation for medical infusion pumps in hospitals. A critical bug in a connected medical device can allow an attacker to remotely manipulate hospital pumps either to withhold meds or dispense too much. Alaris Gateway Workstations power, monitor, and control infusion pumps, which are a common medical device used in hospital wards and ICUs, automatically dispensing a drug directly to a patient over time. Infusion pumps can deliver insulin, painkillers, or other medications that require intermittent or continuous dosing. In many cases, a patient under treatment has multiple infusion pumps running side by side, dispensing different drugs connected to a single medical gateway. An interesting thing to note here is how innocent looking the device is. It looks like a stand that simply distributes power and connection to the docking pumps. However, it turns out it plays quite a critical role and runs a Windows CE operating system. The most critical vulnerability allows attackers to remotely install unauthorized firmware in the Alaris gateway and adjust specific commands on the infusion pump, including altering the doses of drugs being administered or preventing them from being administered at all. Both scenarios would have a direct impact on a patient's health. In addition, alerts can be silenced, thereby rendering built-in safety measures useless. Another vulnerability impacts the web browser user interface on the workstation. If exploited, the vulnerability will allow attackers with knowledge of the IP address to gain access to monitoring, event logs, and configuration. Now, an attacker would have to compromise the hospital network first, but it may not be that challenging of a process. Healthcare for years has prioritized the health of their patients over the security of some gizmo for obvious reasons. However, healthcare providers rely on connected medical devices for their clinic workflows and life-saving treatments. Unlike other IT assets, connected medical devices are extremely vulnerable. Healthcare organizations are concerned about the non-secure medical devices, but most of them lack proper solutions to address the problem. This is just one device that is getting some attention, but there are many other devices present in a hospital that could have other vulnerabilities. Unfortunately, these devices are very expensive, so it would be costly for a security researcher to get a hold of one to test. Therefore, with no oversight, the security gaps may go unnoticed until they are exploited. I hope you are not the one connected to the device when it is. In a war we cannot see, knowledge is your only defense. Don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and comment, and we will see you next time.